Imagine a situation where a person is just standing or sitting and suddenly he or she starts having headache or feeling nausea. This is what is happening with the nationals of the United States of America, and this is what we will be looking today. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing about that what is Havana syndrome that the United States of India's nationals are complaining about. So let us first understand the timeline. First of all, about the news, what is Havana syndrome, what are its symptoms, its causes, Havana syndrome in other countries, and then what are its status in India. In the end, prelims MCQ and mains practice question. Topic is of importance from General Studies paper 3, that is scientific innovations. From exam perspective, you should be able to know what it is. The news has been taken from Indian Express. This says, Center to look into Havana syndrome, what it means and the term's history. What does it mean? So what is happening is that the central government has told the Karnataka High Court that it will look into the matter of the Havana syndrome in India in response to a Bengaluru resident's recent petition. So a recent petition has been filed which talks about that we need to look into the situation of the Havana syndrome in India. So first of all, what is Havana syndrome? So what is the meaning of the word syndrome? It means there is a set of things which is happening. So Havana syndrome is a set of mental health symptoms. Mental health symptoms. Set of. It is not that only one. It is a set of many things are happening at one point or the other. So it is a set of mental health symptoms. So many problems are happening. And it is experienced by United States intelligence and embassy officials in various countries. So the United States of America officials or nationals, specifically, they are experiencing it. And it is not that they are experiencing it in only one country or other country, two countries. They are experiencing it in many different ways. And its origin may be difficult to confirm. So when we talk about what is the origin of the Havana syndrome, then the origin of the Havana syndrome cannot be said because the origin is not confirmed till now. Many speculations have been made that what can lead to the Havana syndrome, but till now, if we talk about reaching to a conclusion, so that has not been done. And it can be the traces for its root can be made to Cuba in late 2016. So the roots of the Havana syndrome can be traced to Cuba, that is Havana is present in Cuba in late 2016. And the United States has opened its embassy in the capital city of Havana after ties between the two countries were normalized in the year 2015. So what we say is that starting of the Havana syndrome is traced to Cuba, and US opened its embassy in Cuba around the year 2015, and that at that point of time the US officials started to complain about the few of the symptoms that they are facing, but till now it is not known that what is the root cause of this Havana syndrome. So what are the symptoms of Havana syndrome? So that is nausea, severe headache, fatigue, dizziness, sleep problems and hearing loss. So this is a set of problems, that is mental health problem, set of that a person who is suffering from Havana syndrome is experiencing all these things. He or she is experiencing nausea, headache, then there is dizziness, sleep problems is there, hearing loss is there. So whatever the person is going through is these kind of problems, and it is not that one person is going through one problem. No, the one person can be going through, like he or she must be having headaches, fatigue, dizziness, multiple things. Then Havana syndrome in other countries. So it is that the United States of American officials or nationals are experiencing this problem. So in other countries also has this problem being experienced or not? Then the answer is yes. Apart from Cuba, in other countries also this problem has been observed. In the year 2018, similar accusations began to be made by US diplomats in China. So first in Cuba, then 2018 it was also experienced by the US diplomats in China. Then incidents had previously been reported by a USAID employee at the US Embassy in Tashkent, Uzbekistan in the year 2017. In 2019 and 2020, within the US also this problem was observed. Then according to the US media reports, what the US media is saying is that in the last few years, its officials have reported more than 130 such experiences. More than 130 cases has been observed of Havana syndrome, and these cases are being observed by the diplomats or the nationals or the officials of the United States of America. Then what are the causes? So till now, one cause has not been identified. Till now, the scientists and the researchers are looking into that what can be the cause of Havana syndrome, but till now no conclusion has been reached. So no one is entirely sure about the cause of Havana syndrome. There are many speculations and theories that why the Havana syndrome is happening and why is it specifically happening with the nationals or the diplomats or the officials of the United States of America. Then initially the suspicion was on the Cuban intelligence, because since a long period of time Cuba and America has not been on great relations with each other. So in the starting it was speculated that the Cuban intelligence agencies are doing this. But then it was then speculated to be a sonic attack. So after the Cuban intelligence theory, the sonic attack theory started to come up. And after that, it was thought that it is a microwave weapon. The microwaves are being generated, and that the US has said that intentionally other countries are doing it. So the high-powered microwaves that either damaged or interfered with the nervous system of a person. Then this microwaves weapon theory came into existence. But the scientists and the researchers till now specifically and explicitly has not reached a conclusion that among all these theories, which is the exact theory which is responsible for the Havana syndrome, which the people of US are suffering from. Now, is there any case of Havana syndrome in India? So, till now, the Havana syndrome in India has not spread and people are not experiencing it on major scale. But as of July 2022, the 2021 incident was the only reported occurrence of the syndrome in India. So there was one incident which was reported in the year 2021, and that has been till now the only reported occurrence of the syndrome in India. So it is not that till now no case has been observed. It has been observed once. Now, prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. Consider the following statements regarding the Havana syndrome. The origin of Havana syndrome has found to be microwave weapon. No cases of Havana syndrome has been reported in India till now. And you have to talk about the correct statements. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Easy one, I would say. Now coming to the mains practice question. You have to write it in 150 words. What is Havana syndrome? State its symptoms and causes. Very simple one and a very straightforward. So start with what is Havana syndrome. Write little bit about its theory. What are the causes, theories related in causes. Then what are its symptoms. And then in the end a conclusion. Also try to add the Indian aspect, whether it has been observed in India or not. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.